welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today we're finally getting started on my sister's backyard makeover. You're joining me in their backyard right now in the city of Toronto, so there might be some extra noises going around, some planes, some trains, some birds, some bugs, so don't mind that. Do you hear that? That's a bug. Anyways, I'm here for the weekend to take over their backyard and turn it into a beautiful, chic outdoor oasis. I want to turn this backyard into a little resort. I want to make it feel like you're out at a patio, you're on vacation, in your own space, especially because you can't really travel right now. Turning your backyard into an amazing getaway is the perfect option. So that's what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, their backyard space is already really nice. They have some old furniture in here that's really not working with this space, but the overall layout of the backyard is amazing. We have an upper deck, a lower patio, and I'm planning on turning those areas into two different spaces. So we're going to have a living room area, a dining room area. We're going to create some privacy in here and really make it feel intimate and cozy. They don't really use it very often right now because there's really nowhere to sit. So we're going to solve that problem, bring in some amazing outdoor furniture and really make this outdoor space feel like an extension of their home. We got a lot of work to do back here, so let's get started with this makeover. If you enjoy watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Right when you walk out, I want to do a dining area over here, keeping this walkway open to below so that you can go in and out really smoothly, and then turn this little corner into kind of like a coffee cozy corner. Maybe decorate this fence. Down here on the stone patio, I want to create an intimate lounge area, kind of like a little living room space with seating, a fire pit, some lighting across, and then over on the upper deck, I want to create kind of like a roof with an umbrella to really create some privacy. So just like every other makeover, I head to Pinterest and gather some ideas. I really like the look of these black and white backyards. I think they look really young and cool and fresh. So I came up with this mood board, which I am obsessed with. I love this design idea, and this is the direction we're heading in. So hopefully by the end of it, the backyard looks just like that. First things first, let's get this backyard all cleaned up so it's ready to go. First must-have item in this backyard space is outdoor rugs. If you're doing any kind of backyard patio, balcony space, bring in some outdoor rugs. I picked up 3 different ones because we do have a lot of space to fill out here. I got 2 amazing pattern ones from HomeSense for $29 each, which is such an amazing price, and then this large black one that I wanted to use for layering. Over here in the dining area, I wanted to lay out the huge black rug just to really ground the space, make it feel cozy, and kind of just, anchor all the furniture, just like you would a dining space indoors. Because this black rug was so plain, I thought, let's layer in this white and beige one on top. It really adds a cool texture and pattern to this dining area, and who says you can't layer outdoor rugs? You can. It makes it look so cool. Now onto my favorite part, outdoor furniture. I partnered with my friends over at Article to team up on this project to create a beautiful space with their amazing furniture. Article offers high quality furniture at a really great price that's designed to last. So if you're thinking about doing an outdoor space, especially, you want some good quality pieces, and they have amazing selection. Article makes it really easy to attain a beautiful space no matter what because all of their pieces are stunning. I chose this selection right here. You saw this on the mood board, but pretty much all of these pieces of furniture are from Article. It's going to create a really cohesive space and turn out amazing. They make it really easy to order from them because you shop online and then everything gets delivered right to your door. In my case, it got delivered to the backyard. They're actually offering contactless delivery, so everything just got put back there so that I could set it up myself. So for this dining area, I chose to do 2 of these black toolless chairs. I think these are so cute. They look like you're on a patio on vacation, so they're perfect for this space. They're built from a natural rattan frame woven with smooth resin, so they're great for outdoors. They have a curved back, a curved seat, so they're really, really comfortable. I wanted to do kind of like a mix match of chairs here to make it look casual and really styled. So I decided to get another set of toolless chairs, but these are armless and they're the white and taupe ones. So I think they're great for side chairs like this. They also have a curved back and seat, so extremely comfortable. They match the black ones with the natural rattan frame, but give kind of a different contrast, so I really like the look of this mix match set. This is the dining table. let's check it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. Wow. Oh, it's nice. That's stunning.
We're gonna have the nicest backyard that ever existed.
Wow. That's amazing. This table was the perfect statement piece for this dining set. It's so heavy, but such good quality and looks amazing. It's made of galvanized steel, so it's really sturdy, perfect for outdoors, won't be blowing away or anything. It has a sleek powder-coated black matte finish. It looks like an indoor piece, but it's outdoors, and I think it's absolutely stunning with those beautiful legs. Wow. So over here on the side, I wanted to keep this all kind of open, kind of picnic style, making it look casual, but kind of mix match. So I added in this beautiful bench. I think it is stunning and perfect for this space. Over here in this corner, I wanted to style it as kind of like a little coffee corner, a comfortable place to sit. So I'm using these Aura basket chairs in slate gray, and they have these amazing acacia wooden solid legs. It's sturdy, it has removable cushions that are water resistant, so they're great for being outside, and it has water resistant wicker. So overall, it's just a perfect outdoor chair that looks like an indoor one, and it's just so stylish. To make this little area really functional, I'm bringing in the Nevo side table. That's a 20-inch side table. It's the right size, it's the right height, it's perfect for this little area. It has these nice tapered legs, so it looks very mid-century modern. It's made of unadorned acacia wood, so it's super long-lasting, and again, perfect for being outside. Now that I have all the furniture set up in this upper deck, we're moving down to the downstairs patio there and setting up a nice little cozy living space. I'm so glad I could get my hands on all this stuff before the summer ends. All the in-stock items, ad articles ship really fast, and they also have estimated delivery times, so you know exactly when everything's coming. To start off with this living area, again, we're adding a rug, this beautiful outdoor rug. I like that this kind of looks like those Moroccan tiles, so that's kind of what I was going for here with this rug selection. For furniture, I decided to bring in a matching set. This is the Corda sofa, and I also got matching side chairs. Because we did a mix-match set above on the top floor, I decided to do a matching set down here. This is a durable powder-coated aluminum frame sofa, which is so comfortable, so beautiful, and a really nice scale for this backyard. They're all strung with polypropylene rope detailing, so it looks like really cool, kind of like a modern basket design. They're ready out of the box, so there's no assembly. They all have removable cushions that are water resistant. I'm also adding in a little side table that I also used up on the upper deck. This is the Nevo side table, again in a 20-inch size. If you're looking for any new furniture, definitely click the link down below to get $50 off any order over $200 or more up until September 30th. Articles ships almost anywhere in the US and Canada for a flat rate of $49 and free shipping on orders over $999. Furniture building day 1 is finally complete.
Are you the neighbor's cat? You're very nice, but I don't have any tuna. I'm sorry. Bye.
Today we're going to be adding some shade to this backyard, some privacy, bringing in some accessories, some plants, doing DIY projects. We still have a lot to do. So they really wanted to create some privacy up here because we have some rooftop patios up on each side, so we really want to kind of cover up this area and shade it off. So a big cantilever umbrella is a great solution. I'm bringing one in, and it's a 10-foot umbrella, so it's going to pretty much cover this entire top deck, and that's going to really keep this whole dining area clean. It's going to keep it dry and cover up this whole area from the sun. So the umbrella stands perfectly without weights when it's just up and down like this, but once you open it up, it really starts to topple, so you need some kind of weights down. I'm using these pavers that were actually from my house, so I brought them over here. We're going to put them on this side of the umbrella to really weigh it down, and that will definitely secure it. So if you have any extra pavers like that, you can use that instead of buying like a whole umbrella weight. The only thing now is this stand kind of sticks out and it's kind of in the middle of everything, so I'm gonna use this furniture to kind of try and hide it and reconfigure everything around here. I brought this little IKEA utility cart in here. I think it'd be really great when you're barbecuing or bringing food out, and you can kind of create a little center over here. You can move it around the deck as well because it's on wheels. So that's just a nice little touch you can add to your backyard to make it a little bit more entertaining friendly. I'm actually going to go to Home Depot right now and see if I can find some flowers for these planters, because that would make a really nice backdrop over here. I think every direction that you look should look pretty, so I'm going to try and make that even prettier, add some color up there and see what we can find. There wasn't too much selection to choose from when looking for plants because it's kind of late in the summer, but I found these beautiful, huge hibiscus plants as well as these kind of tropical Hawaiian looking ones. So I got as many as I could to try and fill up these planters, and then realized that this area of the backyard really doesn't get much sun, and I think these flowers need sun. So I thought we're gonna head to the dollar store and pick up some faux plants. That will really bring a lot more color to the garden space. So I picked faux flowers with the similar colors as the real ones, and I'm just sticking them in the soil, and I swear you would never know that they were fake. It adds so much more color, so much more variety and levels, and I think it makes it look a lot better. So if you're struggling with your garden or you want to add some color, just pick up some fake flowers, put them in the soil, and you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Now to balance out the greenery, really bring this space to life, I'm adding in these hanging ferns. Ferns are really affordable and they add so much color, so they're really easy just to hang on the fence, hang on any wall you have in your backyard, and it brings the space to life. So I'm doing the same thing down here in the living room space. I kind of wanted to add a nice little backdrop to the sofa area, so I'm adding 3 across there, and it totally adds a ton of color and life to the space. Okay, so the plan was to have a big fire table right here in the middle, and my sister already has one, but this is the state of it right now. I don't know what happened here, if water got in, but it is in really bad condition, and I'm not willing to part with it. So we're gonna bring this back to life, hopefully try and fill in all these edges with concrete, kind of resurface it a bit, and then paint it black. It's going to be amazing if I can pull this off. So I went to Lowe's, picked up this Quickcrete, and that's gonna hopefully smooth the surface. I also picked up a little trowel, is that what this is called? Yeah, trowel. And then I'm gonna be painting it using this high heat enamel. I got it in flat black, so I think that's gonna look really nice. And then I'll just roll it on with my little foam roller. I'm just cleaning away all the debris that kind of got loose and picked apart the table to try and get all the loose pieces off so that I could fill it all in with the Quickcrete. I realized later I could have done the entire top in Quickcrete, but I was just filling in all the holes and areas that crumbled away. So it's up to you however you want to do it if you are dealing with a similar problem. This is what it looked like when I was done. I filled in some of the corners to make sure they were flat as well, and then let it sit overnight. That way I knew it was totally dry and I could sand it all away to try and make it as flat as possible. Again, this table is not going to turn out absolutely perfect, but it will definitely be an upgrade from what it looks like now. Okay, so here is what the fire pit looks like now, all painted. You know, doesn't look perfect, I know, but it's a complete makeover compared to this. So this is definitely gonna have to do. It's definitely an upgrade and just a little way of giving it a second life. Okay, kind of running into some difficulty with this fire pit. I can't get it on. I don't know what's happening. I got a new propane tank, hooked it all up, and it's not lighting. So hopefully I can figure something out and get it started because I really want it to be lit for the big reveal. Lighting is probably my favorite part of any outdoor space. It always brings it to life. So I'm adding some twinkle lights up above the living space here and then putting in some LED candles throughout the space inside lanterns. It's really going to set the mood, make it look really cozy and intimate and warm. As you can see, the fences are all at different heights, so I decided to hang my lights from the top fence to this shed back here, and there conveniently was a plug. So that worked out really well for me. I picked up some of these from IKEA, some of them from HomeSense, and then found all of these battery candles that are on timers so that you don't have to go around and turn them all off. These are super cute and totally match the vibe. Alright, we're at the finish line here. Just like all my indoor makeovers, we're finishing this off by styling up this space, bringing in outdoor pillows, little decor pieces, all the little special things that make it feel perfect. Let's bring them out here and show them the big reveal. This umbrella.
You keep blowing me away.
Look how big it is.
Wow, that is privacy.
This is so great.
Oh my god, look at the flag
Wow,
table.
good
It's
job,
such an
Kristen. That looks like that kind of clay
Wow,
thing.
that is amazing.
And I love these. Oh my god.
Now you have a whole
It's-
dining room,
it's
a whole living room,
unbelievable.
and then
It's
Rachel, this is your
so
coffee
good.
corner.
Yes.
And they're
okay.
comfortable, like everything is really wide.
Wow, honestly, blown away. You are so good at this. And I love the table too. It's so
Yeah.
cool.
It's
modern.
really heavy, you won't be able to
So
move
this
it.
is
Wow.
okay, like outside?
It's all outdoor furniture.
That's
Wow.
crazy. Thank you so much.
You're
Kristen,
welcome.
absolutely crazy.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope it gave you some ideas on how you can really extend your living space into your backyard. If you have a patio, a balcony, or a backyard like this, definitely make the most of it, decorate it, furnish it, add lighting, make it cozy just like you would inside your home. Anyways, let me know down below in the comments what your favorite part of this backyard transformation was. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming makeovers. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss my upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!